Who's got Easter baskets? There's Sarah's. Where's Paige's? Happy Easter. Go get it. Take everything out. Sarah, an Easter bunny. Ah!
Winnie the Pooh and him.
An Eeyore. And she's got some books. Here, Sarah. Oh.
Look at it.
Look out, Paige.
He's a Christmas guy.
Sarah's going for your basket, Paige.
No.
Sarah, you don't want your basket? Oh, crawling in a dress is not easy, young kid. Happy Easter. Happy Easter.
I have 2 of these.
Wow, keep going.
One of them could be for Sarah when she grows up.
Yeah. Dinosaur? That's a big Easter bunny.
Oh, she's got your chocolate.
It's not, it is a bunny, but it's a big chocolate bunny!
Oh, so classy. Did you just toot? Yeah.